calling all small business owners and entrepreneurs. Lane Business Consulting invites you to an exclusive luncheon meeting designed just for you. Join us on November 8, 2024, as we delve into the art of self-promotion with our intriguing session, How to Brag on Your Brand. We are thrilled to have Frank Belizio from ABS Local Mobile Marketing as our distinguished guest speaker. Frank will share invaluable insights on optimizing your Google Business Profile, a crucial tool for achieving small business success. Imagine enhancing your online presence, reaching more customers, and driving growth like never before. Frank will guide you through strategies that can transform your business profile into a powerful marketing asset. Don't miss this opportunity to learn, network, and elevate your business game. Secure your spot by contacting Lorraine. We look forward to welcoming you to an afternoon of learning and networking at Lane Business Consulting. Let's make your business shine brighter than ever. See you there.